Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is Mullvad and TunnelBear. So to get started with a quick overview, Mullvad is a privacy-obsessed VPN that's focused on total anonymity, required no email to sign up, and offering an open source, independently audited app. It's ideal for security-focused users who want transparency and minimal data collection. And TunnelBear on the other side is a beginner-friendly VPN with charming branding and a strong emphasis on simplicity, while it has improved its privacy with audit. It doesn't match Mullvad's level of privacy or anonymity. And talking about what these two platforms are best for, so talking about Mullvad is best for advanced user with privacy advocate and anyone wanting a strong anonymity. Then on the other side, talking about the TunnelBear strong what is best for. So TunnelBear is TunnelBear VPN is best for VPN beginners and a casual user who want a simple and a fun experience. So talking about the downside about these two platforms, starting with the Mullvad. The downside of this platform is there's no dedicated streaming server and the interface may be too basic for casual user, and also no long-term discount. Everything is flat monthly rate only. And talking about the TunnelBear the weak part, no anonymous sign up or crypto payment option, and also fewer advanced features and limited protocol support. And here's a quick overall conclusion. So choose a Mullvad if you want a maximum privacy, anonymous payment, and open source trust. On the other side, choose TunnelBear if you are new to VPNs and want an easy, friendly app with a basic privacy features. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms, which is Mullvad VPN and TunnelBear VPN. Thanks.